Hello. Today we're going to be doing something special. Something on Instagram called Canteen Cup Tuesday. We're actually going to also do a dessert. We're going to do a beef stroganoff with beans and loxon. And we're also going to do a dessert that is a blueberry cornbread mixed with peaches. So let me start showing the ingredients and we'll get started. We're also out here in Salem, South Carolina, at the Coyote State Park, and we're at the end of the Raven Rock Trail. It's very gorgeous. Hey Z, what do you want, human? I don't think they can hear you when you're holding it up, so why don't you just hold it up and I'll read off the ingredients, okay? Okay, do that. All right, Z is going to show you the ingredients. We have Mountain House beef stroganoff and noodles. We have a small quantity of loxon, which is a shredded pork. It's a Chinese ingredient. He's taking his time. This is from an MRE. It's black beans seasoned. And then for dessert, yes, these are crumbles of cornbread with blueberry. And we're going to mix that with, also from an MRE, the peaches. So let's get started. Hey Z, also show the equipment we have. So we do have a canteen cup filled with water. We also have a canteen cup, stainless steel, and also a canteen stove. And for fuel, I'm going to use one of these German stoves and the tablets that come with it. We got a stove set up. Human's going to use these tablets, cut in half. We're going to light it up. I was warming up the second cup. So the water's done. Just pour it into there. Let that sit for a while. It's good to go. This one's ready. Well, now that that's done, thank God for the black beans. It made it somewhat palatable. But moving on to dessert. There we go. Canteen cup. Crumbled up blueberry cornbread. MRE peaches. Just put it all in there, kind of mix it up. Start with peaches. I see a little Hornet's interested in this too. He's not going to be sampling any well. He's not going to be too. But he may have different thoughts. You might get to see me get stung. Note, I didn't pay that bee to do any acting for me. That was live. There was no paid actors for this. Peaches. Ta-da! Now, the crumbled blueberry cornbread. I want to crumble it up a little bit. I don't think I'm going to heat this. That might be an interesting idea, is to heat it, because then it's kind of like a peach blueberry cobbler. And if you're wondering where I had the blueberry from, cornbread, that's just left over from another meal. So, fine. That's really good. That's better than the beef stroganoff. I don't know if my companion over there is going to get any. If you don't hurry over here quick, you may not get any. See the blueberry and the peaches in there. Kind of mashed together. Wonderful. Well, thank you for watching.